Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable auto input selection in Path of Exile 2. If you're using multiple inputs, like for example your mouse, your keyboard and your controller, and if you don't want them to switch between them automatically, then just click on the go to options. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Go to input, and here is auto input method detection. You can enable or disable it. When this is disabled, then you'll need to change the input method yourself. And if it's enabled, then for example, if I have a controller connected and I start using it, then it will switch to the controller. And then when I go back to my mouse and keyboard, it will automatically switch to my mouse and keyboard. And also remember that you cannot change inputs while you are within the game. So you can only change input methods while you are either on the character selection screen or on the login screen. So that's where to change it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.